So I was solving some questions and here this weird configuration has arrived. So this green line, it's the directrix. That green point is the focus. Those blue points are the ends of the focal chord, and that blue chord is focal chord. And these purple lines are the tangents. This red curve you can see is the parabola basically, and it's y squared equal to 2x, right? For an example purpose. And then I have drawn these circles which pass through the contact point, the focus, um, and the point where the tangents intersect, and they are also tangent to the tangent which means like one of the tangents is touching these circles. So this and that, these circles are what I'm talking about, right? And because of that, these are orthogonal, right? So you can see there's a 90-degree over there. And then I have drawn other and then I have drawn two other circles, so this one and this one, and these two are also orthogonal to adjacent circles and to themselves as well. So these are also passing through the focus and one of the focal ends, and these are also tangent to one of the tangents, right? And this configuration is like really beautiful. I don't know why this is happening, and it's it's just beautiful basically, right? So yeah, and I did prove why this happens. So this for these circles you can prove it easily, and then using those two circles we can also prove that these two circles are going to be orthogonal, right? And you get this beautiful view of everything happening at once. Oh, and if you just want to add something as well, actually let's not draw it. Then there's also this circle which is passing through this point, this point, and this point, and it is basically tangent to this green line at this point, right? So basically the focal chord being the diameter, if you make that circle, then this is going to be tangent at this point, right? So it's really jumbled and a lot of stuff is going on at the same time, so I can't tell much how this is happening, but really try to prove this yourself. And this is really amazing. I don't know why this is happening. I mean, a lot of things keep happening in this curve which we call parabola, right? So for example, if you look at this point, you got this tangent and this normal. So if I just extend this normal, the point over here, the point over here, right, these two have the midpoint being this focus, right? So like it's 2a plus 80 squared, and then this is like minus 80 squared, right? So this, wait, minus 80, I think it was, yeah, it was correct. So this focus, which is a comma 0, right, that's the midpoint of this line segment, which also means that it's like the center of the circle which is going to pass through this point, and that point. And similarly it's also the center of the circle which is going to pass through this point, this point, and that point. So really a lot of things are happening at the same time. Okay, I will see you in the next video.